Will the Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder Plan, a life insurance plan, will safeguard your family's future with an assurance to fulfill your financial goals or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision and also to help you reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-participating, non-linked individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with financial security through life cover. It gives guaranteed benefits with multiple plan options to suit your varied financial needs. You have the option to secure your child's financial future with guaranteed payouts and inbuilt waiver of premium benefit. And you also get guaranteed lump sum benefit with a flexible liquidity option, and you have the option to avail guaranteed income for your short-term and long-term financial goals. The joint life option allows you to add your spouse inbuilt value-added services for the well-being of your health. So these are all the key features of this policy. And now there are 4 plan options under this policy as well, which are long-term income option, yearly income option, bright future option, and also assured wealth option. So under all these 4 options, the death benefit, maturity benefit all differs according to what plan option you have opted for. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure, and there are also some advantages and disadvantages in this policy. Let us take a look at that. So the advantages are: your premium paying term and policy term can be chosen as per your convenience. You can choose among the 4 plan options that suit your requirements. As the policy holder, you can design your income benefit period and income benefit frequency, and the life insured has the option to insure his or her spouse under spouse cover. And premium break is an inbuilt benefit for female lives where policy holders can avail 1 year premium break during the premium payment term. The well-being app is an inbuilt benefit. This app is aimed at encouraging a healthy lifestyle of life assured and provides the necessary tools to manage a healthy lifestyle. And loans can also be availed under this plan with a maximum limit of 80% of the surrender value of the policy, and the rider options and tax benefits are added advantage. So these are the advantage of the policy. Disadvantages are: most of the added benefits are limited to particular plan options. For example, loyalty addition is available only for the assured wealth option, and your sum assured in this policy is too low, and the lock-in period is also 2 years for surrendering or to obtain a loan. So these are some drawbacks that you need to consider while choosing to invest in this plan. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this plan, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video. So as an investor, you should look at the returns generated by the plan. So that's why we are going to estimate the internal rate of return, IRR, for this plan. So there are 4 plan options under this plan. The cash flow pattern may vary from plan to plan. So here in this example, we have taken option 3, assured wealth. In this option, either you have the option to encash your cash value of guaranteed yearly additions at any time during the policy term, or you can withdraw it at the time of maturity. So just for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male opted for this policy with a premium of 1 lakh rupees excluding GST paid annually. Premium paying term is 10 years, policy term is 20 years, basic sum assured is 14,64,080 rupees. So here in this example, we are going to assume the policy holder allows the guaranteed yearly additions to accrue. So on maturity, he will be receiving a lump sum of basic sum assured plus loyalty addition plus accrued guaranteed yearly additions. So in this example, we can see the IRR calculated for this policy is 5.46%. If he pays the premium regularly for 10 years, he will be receiving a maturity of 23.7 lakhs. So this rate of return is lower than the economic inflation rate. Obviously, there will be difficulties in achieving your financial goal because the rate of return is not in favor of the investor and the sum assured is also too low. So as the plan's final maturity corpus is not sufficient for us, we are going to look for other investment strategies where we can see if it can yield us better returns in the long term or not. So instead of investing in an insurance cum investment policy like this, here we are going to separate both these components and invest in it separately to see whether it can yield us better returns and be effective in achieving our financial goals. So in the previous example, the sum assured is 14.64 lakhs and the annualized premium we are going to pay for that was 1 lakh. The premium paying term is also 10 years and the policy term is 20 years. So we are going to take the same metric but in a pure term life insurance plan, which will cost you only 12,500 rupees annual premium. So out of 1 lakh in this pure term insurance payment, it will leave you with 87,500 rupees per annum for investment, and this amount can be invested as per your risk appetite. If you are an investor who are ready to take risk, you can go for equity related instrument. Otherwise, you can stick with debt instrument. So in this calculation, both equity and debt instrument are considered just to showcase you with two different scenarios. If you have opted for PPF with pure term insurance, then in that combination, the premium paying term in the earlier example is 10 years, but in PPF the contribution is minimum 15 years. In the last 5-year adjustments were made to make a minimum contribution of 500 rupees. After that, the account is extended for the next 5 years and the final maturity is available at the end of 20 years. So in the ELSS investment, your investment will be made in the initial 10 years and the fund grows for the next 10 years. Final maturity proceeds at the end of 20 years are subject to capital gains tax. So term insurance plus PPF combination, your maturity value will be 25.82 lakhs and the IRR will be 6.21%, and the maturity value under ELSS plus term insurance combination will be 47.04 lakhs, which is a post-tax value, and the IRR for this post-tax return will also be 10.36%. As you can see, both the returns under PPF and ELSS along with pure term insurance policy yield you better returns than the Kotak guaranteed fortune builder plan. So investing separately for your life's financial goals always aids you in achieving your financial goals. So what is the final verdict? Should you invest in Kotak guaranteed fortune builder plan or not? Is it worth investing or not? So this policy is a guaranteed savings plan where all the benefits are guaranteed. Moreover, you can choose whether you need yearly income, regular income or lump sum payment. Either you can receive the benefits immediately or you can accrue and then withdraw as and when required. The debt benefit under each plan option also varies and it is a little complex to understand because it differs based on the plan option, like premium paying frequency and life cover option chosen. So this plan is an insurance cum investment product. From an investment perspective, the return is lower than a bank's fixed deposit interest rate. So the rate is not favorable for a long-term investment. From a life cover perspective, the sum assured is too low to cover your family's basic needs in case of eventualities. So don't get misled by the good reviews of Kotak guaranteed fortune builder plan on social media platforms like Quora, Facebook, Twitter, etc. A pure term policy and a diversified investment portfolio aided by a professional financial planner will provide you with financial security. But insurance agents will push these types of endowment policies insisting on guaranteed return. It is solely for their high agent commission. So please be aware and avoid these types of policies and try to search for other alternative investments and life cover, like as we have seen in this video where we have opted for alternative strategy by investing separately in insurance and investment. Because a pure term life cover policy, even a high coverage, you can get it in an affordable rate, and also diversified investment portfolio will be helpful based on your risk tolerance.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.